An LAPD officer and another person were injured today in a shooting. The suspect is now in custody. It happened this morning in the 7100 block of Yolanda Avenue in Reseda. KCAL 9's Randy Page is live at Northridge Hospital with cell phone video of the shooting. Randy.
That's right, and let's begin with the news that the officer who was injured in this case has been treated and released from the hospital. And we have found a witness in this case who says he believes he was able to capture on his cell phone the man who's believed to be responsible for the shooting.
That's the shooter right there.
According to a witness who shot this cell phone video, the suspected gunman can be seen walking with his dog moments after he shot and wounded a man on Yolanda Boulevard. If you listen closely, you can hear what appears to be the shooting victim crying out in pain.
Oh my God!
That's him right there.
Oh my God!
The cell phone video captures the victim, who was shot once in the arm and once in the leg, according to police.
The guy says, "I don't want to die."
Jose Quinones says he heard 4 shots and came running across the street to see the gunman with a gun in one hand and the leash to his dog in the other, while the wounded man pleaded for his life.
The guy's on the floor. "Help me, I don't want to die." Yeah, I see the shooter, and the dog, white dog, is walking like a gun, dog and the gun, walking in the street.
Police say when they arrived at around 9:30, they discovered the gunshot victim and were directed to the suspected gunman, who was walking about a block away. Police say after they spotted the suspect, he opened fire on their vehicle. One officer was injured, either grazed by a bullet or hit by flying glass. His injuries are not believed to be life-threatening. Police say the gunman then put the gun down and was taken into custody. Investigators say it appears none of the officers fired their weapons. Detectives with the Elite Robbery Homicide Division have taken over the investigation. The identity of the officer who was injured has not been released. We should also point out we do not know the condition of the man who was shot and wounded, but officers at the scene tell us they believe his injuries are not life-threatening. Live in Northridge, I'm Randy Page, KCAL 9 News.